population and overpopulation. Next slide. Population is the number of human beings which are living on a particular locality or area or city, or we can say country. But overpopulation is different. इसमें नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज एक लिमिटेड अमाउंट में हमारी अर्थ के पास होते हैं, लेकिन जब ह्यूमन बींग्स की जो नंबर है वो इतना बढ़ जाए कि हमारे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज कम पड़ जाएं, तो हम उस पॉपुलेशन को ओवर पॉपुलेशन कहते हैं. Department of Economic and Social Affairs Policy Brief number 153. This is the official data which UN released. According to this data, India has overtaken China as the world's most populous country. Now, India is the number one country in the matter of population. We can understand this by this graph. In 2023, there is a threshold position. In which India and China are competing each other, but there is an estimate that by coming of 2015, India exponentially increase as compared to the China. Let's understand the data from this graph. The population of India is 1.4 billion as of Tuesday, March 26, 2024. ये जो डाटा है that is coming from biometer elaboration from UN, which 76% of the population India equivalent to the total world population.